So for Christmas, I added a wireless controller to my $40 Facebook Marketplace winch that I have mounted on my trailer. Can't vouch for this thing yet because I haven't really used it, but seems to be decent. Comes with 2 remotes with batteries and gives you wireless capability. This box is not part of it. I 3D printed that box and have a top for it too that's I've just painted, waiting for the paint to dry. I will leave a link to this in the description, and if you do use this one, buy this one. This jumper from this post to this spade terminal, that's required. That wasn't really clear in the wiring diagram, but this did not work until I added that. Then once I did that, everything's fine. So I'll give you kind of a look at how the wiring works. This blue wire is the antenna for the wireless, so it just hangs loose. Something kind of unique I did here, I wanted a way to power this from my truck with jumper cables without unhooking the truck. So I'm taking a piece of PVC pipe, a couple of 3/8 bolts in these screw-on terminals, battery studs, to give me a place to connect jumper cables, and then that way I can power this from a jumper cable. I'm not going to use this enough to warrant buying a battery and a battery box and all that sort of stuff. So, but it seems to work pretty well. Oop, that was just my my weight fell over. But yeah, works pretty well. These remotes seem to work from about 150, 200 feet away. I only have 50 feet of cable, so I don't think that'll be necessary. But I thought this might be interesting to someone in the same situation. Maybe give you some ideas, and also an idea on this $30, I think it was around $30 wireless controller off Amazon. All right, thanks for watching.